Hi, my name is Professor Solar. I'm a civil engineer and I work at Engineered Solar. Today we're going to discuss roofing with my assistant Polaris because there's nothing worse than having a problem with your roof. Worst of all, the time and the cost to fix it. So, what do you think, Polaris?
Oh wow, the cost of having to fix it can double and triple if not taken care of.
Engineered Solar has more than 25 years experience with roofing.
And Professor Solar is here to show you the anatomy of a well-designed roofing system.
Every roofing system requires these main components that we'll touch on briefly.
At the same time, using GAF roofing material and saving you time and money with a 50-year warranty.
So here are some of the main components. High-performance leak barriers, roof deck protection, metal drip edges, starter strips, roofing shingles, vents, ridge cap shingles, standing seam metal roofing systems.
High-performance leak barriers protect the most vulnerable parts of your roof, like eaves, valleys, around chimneys, and plumbing vents. We use GAF's rubber compound leak barrier for cutting-edge leak protection as well as ice shields. Roof deck protection prevents wind-driven rain from getting under your shingles. Traditional roof felt paper has often been used. These materials are outdated and are quick to become brittle and worn. Next is the metal drip edge. This keeps water from the roof edges and leaves a clean finish to your roofing system. Then we place starter strips on your roof. They tightly lock your shingles in place and prevent blow-offs. After all of these preventative measures are put in place, then the roofing shingles are installed. This is what the average homeowner is most familiar with.
As a certified roofing contractor, Engineered Solar will install your shingles correctly. Engineered Solar adds ridge vents to prevent buildup of hot, moist air from your attic. In our contract, we explain to every homeowner what the ventilation requirements are for their roof. The ventilation certificate is given with every contract. One of the last steps is installing the ridge cap shingle. Specialty roofing systems like standing seam, no problem. We build to spec at your location with the color that matches your personality. Using the right materials with Engineered Solar, your roof should perform well for years to come. We deliver a 50-year warranty on every roof that we install at a cost less than our competitors.
So if you need roofing maintenance or repair, scan the QR code to book a Zoom call with us. We're here to help.